Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and this is Raul's equipment from California, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now we've troubleshooted this lamp and we know that there's two issues. It has a mechanical issue and it has an electronic issue. And we're going to troubleshoot further into the lamp and then we're going to make our repairs. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this lamp. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that this unit has a switch at the base in the back. You always want to turn the switch in the off position when you're plugging in or unplugging Mickey. The electronics that are associated with Mickey are pretty delicate, and you always want to make sure that that switch is in the off position. And then if you're letting Mickey sit for a while, you want to go ahead and turn that switch off. Now what we want to do is go ahead and start our final checkout. Now we have Mickey plugged in to the electrical outlet, and we want to go ahead and turn the switch on.
What a bright idea!
Now we want to give it a little bit before we turn the lamp on and off too quickly. Like we mentioned earlier, the electronics that are associated with this lamp are delicate, and you don't want to turn the lamp on and off real quickly. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Lights out!
And we'll give it a second. Turn the lamp back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
We'll wait a minute. We can go ahead and turn Mickey off.
So long, pal.
We'll turn the lamp back on.
Ah, that's better.
Go ahead and turn the unit off.
See you real soon.
And we'll turn the lamp on one last time.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp has been repaired, we can return them to Raul and they can enjoy this lamp once again. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great wherever he's used. These lamps are highly collectible and they're very sought after, and people really like them. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.